Hi guys, if you don't already know me, my name's Dave, and today is going to be an exciting day. Today I will be installing a rear diffuser by KNG Wraps on my Dodge Challenger. So let's go. So what we're looking at here is a rear diffuser by KNG Wraps, and this one is for models 2015 and up. It's a version 2 diffuser slant-in. So if you can see, these are going to be slanting inwards. As far as hardware, it's very simple. We're going to have this piece here is going to go up front underneath, so I'll have to drill a hole in the bottom of the trunk to mount this. We have holes already pre-drilled, as you can see, and we're going to be mounting these, one here and one over here of this, and then finally these 3 screws will go, so we'll mount those 3 screws at that point underneath to attach it to the valance. Just one more note to show you how well built this is. This is a very solid material. It is not flimsy, and they really reinforced it nicely. So it's a quality product for sure. So I'm really excited about mounting this on the car. Okay, so what I'm guessing here is I'm going to have to probably remove some things in here so that I don't drill into them. Better safe than sorry. So it looks like I got a bolt here, and then this piece here. All right, so let's get to it. Next step is to get the car on the ramps. There we go. I'm gonna pop these rivets right here on each end. All right, let's mark a drill point. That's our mark. Okay, I'm going to be drilling a pilot hole, and then I'm going to be using a 3/8 drill bit for the rib nut. Okay, I'm going to go check it to make sure that I didn't drill through anything, just to be sure. Okay, looks like it's right there. There we go. The washer and the bolt will go through this side, and then the other washer will go on the back side of the valance along with the nut. There we go. Alright, I'm just going to leave it loose for now so I get everything in place. Now we're going to tighten up these. Now I'm going to drill 3 holes for the screws that mount to the valance. I got the diffuser installed. Everything looks tight and beautiful. Awesome. Just dab a little bit of silicone where I drilled in so I don't have any water leaks. Done. So there it is, guys. The KNG Wraps V2 Diffuser Slant-In. Looks pretty awesome. Wasn't too hard to install once you figured it out. No instructions come with it. So hopefully this video will be very helpful to you on the install of the diffuser. But I love the look of it. Just gives it that much more of an aggressive look on the back end. Stay tuned. I'm going to make another video showing how to put vinyl edging on the edges of the diffuser. So I'm going to do that in blue. So that should look pretty rad. There you have it. KNG Wraps diffuser. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and give me some comments. I'd like to see some comments below and see what you thought about the install. Hopefully this will help you. There's no instructions that come with it. So hopefully this install will be helpful to you, especially if you're installing it on a Challenger. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay revved up.